The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and right about now I have a video to show you of a man that was being arrested by police officers, and he was placed in the back of a police vehicle. Now some people would call it a pickup truck, some people would call it a walking back van, but anyways viewers and subscribers, now as the police officers started to drive that vehicle and started to leave the scene, viewers and subscribers, that man then fell from the vehicle. He fell out of the vehicle while he was in handcuffs, viewers and subscribers. Now this video is out on social media where some people are saying that what the police officers did was cruelty, and some people are saying that it was an accident. Alright, now I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it for yourself and you can also tell me what you think, you know what I mean? But before I show you this video, viewers and subscribers, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, and if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, observe.
Oh Jesus.